Hi, welcome to Umkhonto Wesizwe Ground Forces channel. Please like and subscribe, comment. Also invite us to your programs via comment section to come capture the moments with you for free. Terms and conditions apply. Visit us on YouTube at Umkhonto Wesizwe Ground Forces. Your feedback will be really appreciated. Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Nkateko Mkhabela, the Secretary General of the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party Youth League. We'd like to address the comments that were made yesterday by our president at our official launch on the podium. Firstly, Mina, as I've said, Vidaramana Nkateko Wakamkhabela. I am indeed Mchangani. Akaya kahle kahle ile pushback reach ampumalanga. Ngabanye kabakokani iwele agbambini. Number two, it's crucially important to note that Umkhonto Wesizwe Party belongs to all races, to all tribes, and to all ethnicities. If you look at our structure currently, we are represented by Tswana people, we are represented by Xhosa people, we're represented by Zulu people, we're represented by Vatsonga, we're represented by Shangaan people. We are there, we are seen. Thirdly, I'd like to note that we understand the veracity of the comments that were made. However, Konoso was honestly defending me because comrades were being disruptive as I was addressing. Thank you so much to everybody that defended me. I appreciate it. However, I do need to note that it was completely taken out of context. Umkhonto Wesizwe Party belongs to everyone, to all races, to all tribes, and it's not just a Zulu party. Thank you.
Thank you very much, SG. Commander's morning. Comrades, firstly, I would like to thank all young people across all 9 provinces who attended the MK Youth League launch yesterday. We had a successful program where the MK Youth League was launched officially by our Supreme Leader, President Jacob Zuma. Second of all, I think what I said yesterday was taken out of context, but the SG has covered me. The MK Party Congress does not belong to KZN only. It belongs to all 9 provinces. I myself, I've been to Limpopo in Giyani. So the Congress, they did welcome me and I did address in English. So what happened yesterday, I was stopping ill-discipline while our SG was addressing, because we have to be disciplined in the MK Party. But there may be those who would feel that I have offended them. So I sincerely apologize. But what I was doing, I was protecting my Secretary General and protecting the party, because the MK Party in its constitution speaks about discipline. So I was installing discipline on the podium yesterday. But thank you very much, commanders. Thank you for attending our program.
Yeah.
Very successful program. Thanks to all our leaders who participated, making sure that we had a successful program. Thanks to the volunteers of the MK Party, the ground forces, the provincial leadership, the regional leadership, the zonal leadership of Achikumete Zone, eThekwini Region Youth League, the mother body. We thank all 9 provinces who attended, and detachment as well. Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza.
Gwaza.